Hello foodies, my name is Christopher Fread and welcome back to the OPA vlog, redefining Greek food vlog. First of all, I hope you guys enjoyed our first episode. We have a special treat for you guys today. And once again, we are live from my studio, and today we are talking about sweet peppers, but not any sweet pepper, but mini sweet peppers from Pero Family Farms. Pero Family Farms has been around since 1908 and they grow the highest quality produce using sustainable farming methods. Now, a little bit of fun facts about the pepper for you. The pepper is actually a fruit because they contain seeds and they're produced from a flowering plant. They're also a great source of vitamin C and they are great snacks as well. Some uses for sweet peppers in Greek cuisine are the traditional stuffed peppers, which include tomatoes, pine nuts, currants, rice, different aromatics, fresh herbs, and sometimes ground beef. Every region kind of does their own little twist on that dish. But today I'm going to show you a very simple Greek cheese stuffed mini sweet pepper using Pero Family Farms mini sweet peppers. Next, we're going to jump right into the recipe. We have our two types of Greek cheeses. We have a feta cheese, which is going to be 5 ounces, and then we're going to grate it. We have our Minori Greek cheese, which is 5 ounces, and then we're going to grate it. Our other ingredients include a ½ teaspoon of dry Greek oregano, and we're just going to chop that. A ½ tablespoon of chopped parsley, a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of Greek olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then salt and pepper to season. Now we're going to mix the two cheeses together. Then we're going to put all of our ingredients in the bowl, first with the herbs, then our honey, then we're going to put our olive oil in, finish with our lemon juice, and then we're going to season with salt and pepper. Now that we have all our ingredients, we're just going to mix them together by hand so the mixture looks something like this. Now we have our mini sweet peppers. We're just going to wash them real quick. After we wash them, we're going to cut the tops off, save the tops, take the seeds out. We don't need the seeds. Then we're going to drizzle with a little bit of Greek olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then we're going to just toss them together so it's nice and even. Now what we're going to do is we're going to roast them off at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes so they look just like that. Then we're going to take our Greek cheese mixture, put it into a plastic bag or a piping bag, pipe a little bit into each pepper, and then we're going to put that back in the oven at 425, 3 to 5 minutes, just until the cheese melts. And then you're going to have a product that looks just like this. Hi everybody, I just want to say a quick thank you for watching today's video. A lot more coming down the pipeline. If you like today's video, be sure to subscribe, comment, and share with all your friends and family. Okay, so here's the story. There's a peck of pickled peppers that Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers that Peter Piper picked? If you know the answer, comment below.